Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Nachos sauce using Eden cheese. First, gather your ingredients: 1 block of Eden cheese, 1/4 cup of milk, and a pinch of garlic powder and paprika. You'll also need a small saucepan and a whisk. Having your ingredients ready and at room temperature will help achieve a smooth, creamy sauce quickly. Let's get started with the cooking process. Now, let's melt that delicious Eden cheese. Start by grating your block of Eden cheese. This helps it melt much faster and more evenly. Next, pour 1/4 cup of milk into a small saucepan and heat it over low heat until it's warm, but not boiling. Slowly add the grated cheese to the warm milk, stirring continuously with your whisk. To achieve that perfect creamy consistency, keep stirring the mixture constantly over low heat. This prevents the cheese from sticking and ensures a smooth, lump-free sauce. If you prefer a thicker sauce, you can mix 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with 2 teaspoons of cold water and stir it in. Finally, taste and adjust the seasoning with a little salt and pepper. Your homemade Eden cheese nacho sauce is now ready to enjoy. Pour it generously over a pile of crispy tortilla chips for an instant snack. For an extra kick, consider adding some sliced jalapenos, fresh cilantro, or diced tomatoes as a garnish. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.